Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming to you with another super cool product. This is from iStorage-UK.com. This is their new datAshur BT. It's a hardware encrypted USB flash drive. It's got security with unparalleled simplicity built into it. Basically, it's an ultra secure hardware encrypted USB 3.2 Gen 1 flash drive. It's available in capacities from 4 gigabytes to 128 gigabytes, and it offers you multi-factor smartphone, Android and OS, secure wireless user authentication via encrypted Bluetooth channel between the phone and the drive. Users can authenticate the datAshur BT flash drive by entering a 7 to 15 character password, or by simply using the biometric unlock facial ID, facial recognition, touch ID, fingerprint, and iris scanning via their smartphone. Pretty darn amazing. Plus, you can carry it with you wherever you go. It encrypts data in real time using FIPS certified and AES XTS 250-bit hardware encryption algorithm, and it works great. You can save it for computer, medical devices, TVs, drones, printers, scanners, anywhere USB mass storage is used. And I got to tell you, we reviewed none of their products over the years. They work great, and they do an exceptional job. It's also IP57 certified for dust and water resistance. It's got brute force protection if someone tries to hammer into the thing. It's got that, and gives you those fast USB 3.2 Gen 1 data transfer speeds. So pretty cool that way. And you can use it to make sure that everything's under control. You can manage it through a remote management console from them, or a personal app, etc., etc. Check it out. I highly recommend it. You can go to iStorage-UK.com. In the testing we did, it just performed excellent, just like you would expect it to. Unlocked, locked, and away you go, and your data is safe. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.